Japan is famous for many things like lively cities, exquisite cuisine, magical onsen or hot springs, and beautiful landscapes. So, when you visit the country, bringing back something memorable for yourself and others as a keepsake is a must. Sure, there are souvenirs every tourist on social media says you must get, like the myriad flavors of Kit Kats, or Royce chocolates, or anime-inspired gifts, cute dolls, chopsticks, and keychains, which are all great, but there's much more to discover than these popular items. In this video, we'll explore 5 not-so-well-known Japanese souvenirs that you absolutely should buy, and that can become cherished keepsakes. Before we dive into our list, let's take a quick look at Japan's souvenir culture. Omiyage means souvenir, but in Japan it carries a deeper meaning. The tradition of omiyage dates back to Japan's ancient pilgrimage culture, where travelers would bring back offerings from sacred sites to share blessings with their community. Over time, this practice evolved into a more social custom, where bringing back regional specialties became a way to show gratitude and strengthen relationships. Traditionally, when you travel, you bring back gifts for friends, family, or co-workers as a gesture of appreciation and connection. Omiyage often reflects the local specialty of the region you visited, making it a cultural bridge between places and people. So, let's get started with 5 items I think are great representations of Japan and would make great souvenirs for anyone. Japanese kitchen knives. Japanese kitchen knives are world-renowned for their sharpness, durability, and craftsmanship, not to mention their variety. The history of these knives can be traced back to the samurai area, when sword-making techniques influenced knife production. Today, regions like Seki in Gifu Prefecture, shown here, or Sakai in Osaka, and Echizen in Fukui are famous for their knife-making traditions. If you can actually make it to any of these cities, you can not only choose from a wide variety of the highest quality knives and bladed tools, but if you are lucky, you just might be able to either watch a traditional swordsmith in action or make something yourself. Where to buy Japanese knives? If you can't make it to the famous cities above, visit specialized knife shops found in Kappabashi in Tokyo or Aritsugu in Kyoto to find a wide selection of knives tailored for every cooking style. It's always easy to make a quick internet search about any knife shops in the area near where you're staying or visiting as well. Here's a great one I found near my house with a simple search. When in doubt, or if you don't have enough time, Japanese department stores usually have a good, but much smaller than actual knife shops, selection of high-quality knives. Imabari towels. Imabari, located in Ehime Prefecture in Shikoku, has been Japan's towel capital for over 120 years. Imabari towels are prized for their exceptional softness, absorbency, and durability, thanks to a meticulous production process using the region's pure water. The production process includes a unique 5-second rule test, ensuring the towels absorb water within 5 seconds of contact. The combination of traditional techniques and modern technology results in towels that are gentle on the skin while remaining highly functional. Look for this distinctive tag on towels to tell if they are from this region. Where to buy these? You can find these luxurious towels at department stores across Japan, or visit the Imabari Towel Museum in Ehime for a first-hand look at the craftsmanship. If you can make it all the way to Imabari, the museum also offers hands-on experiences where visitors can create their own personalized towels. ceramic plates and cups. Japan's ceramic traditions are deeply rooted in regional craftsmanship, each with its own unique style and history. Arita ware, originating from Saga Prefecture, is known as Japan's first porcelain and features intricate blue and white designs. Seto ware from Aichi Prefecture is admired for its variety and everyday usability, while Mashiko ware from Tochigi Prefecture has a more rustic charm, often using earthy tones and simple shapes. These ceramics aren't just tableware, but works of art that bring history and craftsmanship to your dining table, or just for everyday use. Where to buy these? Check out Asakusa Nakamise Street in Tokyo, or head to Tokoname or Seto near Nagoya for great selections. Department stores will also carry higher-end ceramics. Or, again, do an internet search for local pottery shops or fairs near where you will be staying. Here's a quick tour of one I went to near Nagoya. You can find the shop info in the comments section below if you're interested. Traditional lacquerware, plates and bowls. Lacquerware has been part of Japanese culture for over a millennium, with techniques passed down through generations. The process involves coating wood with layers of natural lacquer derived from the sap of the lacquer tree, creating pieces that are not only elegant but also incredibly durable. Wajima lacquerware from Ishikawa Prefecture is known for its detailed craftsmanship and durability, often featuring gold and silver inlays. Kiso lacquerware from Nagano Prefecture emphasizes simplicity and functionality, making it perfect for everyday use while still maintaining a touch of refinement. You can buy cheap plastic knockoffs everywhere easily enough, but look for the real thing. They might be a bit pricey, but are definitely worth it. Where to buy them? Again, head to department stores or visit local artisans in Wajima and Kiso to witness the artistry firsthand. Higher-end souvenir shops and even shops at Haneda Airport or Narita Airport in Tokyo will have a selection. They're usually a bit overpriced. Anavrin book nooks and models. Now this one is a bit more modern, but when I saw them they truly caught my eye. A company called Anavrin, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, creates intricate handcraft book nooks inspired by Japanese culture and landscapes. These beautiful dioramas fit perfectly between your books, creating tiny worlds that capture the essence of Japan. You actually have to assemble them yourselves, so they are perfect for the do-it-yourselfer kind of person, and are a lot of fun. Where to buy? These book nooks and models can be found online or at specialty craft fairs and select artisan shops in Tokyo. Do a quick internet search to see if you can find any in the area in Japan that you are staying or visiting. These 5 souvenirs not only represent Japanese craftsmanship, but also tell stories of tradition, history, and artistry. The next time you visit Japan, go beyond the typical trinkets and bring home something meaningful. Which souvenir caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video for more tidbits from Japan.